Hello and welcome to another session of cool things you can do with Knapsack. My name is Jake Love and I'm a solutions architect here. Today's topic is full page prototyping. Historically, prototyping has been a disconnected, flat process that doesn't seamlessly integrate with production-ready coded components. Prototypes have mainly been crafted on platforms like Figma, necessitating a setup that mimics real-life applications. The solution is prototyping directly with a UI that incorporates your production-grade code, all for comprehensive page designs. Let's get started. First, in order to get into an edit mode, I'm going to go ahead and create a new branch. Once that branch is created, we're going to jump over to our prototyping section. All right, then we'll jump over into the React tab, and then we'll edit the blank template. Now you'll note that there's not really anything here yet, and that's because we haven't added anything to our page layout. So to do that, we're going to utilize the children of this React component, and we're going to go ahead and embed components that we've already added into the system. So let's go ahead and add our hero component. We're going to choose the one that has an integrated navigation. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some content. We've got a layout component that allows us to add 2 column cards, 3 column cards, pretty much columns of any components that we have in the system. You'll see that it's outputting this production ready code for us, that if we were using something like a Create React app, we could just copy and paste it right in there. Next, we'll add a header because it looks pretty cool visually. And we'll finish this off with a footer component because no full one-page app is complete without a footer. So we'll go ahead and save these changes. If you scroll through this, you see that we can see our full page app that we've just gone and prototyped here. Again, we've got this production ready code that's all set and ready to go here. And if you were using Create React app, we could copy and paste this pretty much right into that application. You'll see this is integrated with themes. So we've got our asset set picker up in the top. We're toggling through. And then last but not least, we can open this up in a full page view and we can kind of see this thing in action. So if we actually resize this screen, you'll actually see that this responds, and not only do we get a breathtaking view of a JWT photo, but we also get a mobile navigation. And so there you have it, full page prototyping in Knapsack using your components.